Okay, we're going to try this again. So what I'm trying to do is get this PowerPoint up for you guys as soon as possible. We're looking at SPSS and Focus 6.6, converting raw scores to standard z-scores. So we'll be computing z-transformation for a data set and entering data into the SPSS. Now, what you're looking at here is table 6.2, and here's what this is. We are looking at how SPS computes z-scores, and what we'll be doing is evaluating the effectiveness of his SAT remedial tutoring course with 16 students who plan to retake the standardized exam. This table lists the number of points that each student gained on the exam after taking the remedial class. We'll use SPSS to convert the data into z-scores. So we will start with data entry, which is step 1 and 2, and then compute a z-transformation. So what you're going to do first is click on your variable view tab and enter SAT in the name column. Remember, we will be entering whole numbers, so you'll reduce the value to 0 in the decimals column. Then in the Data View tab, you will enter the above 16 values in the column labeled SAT. Now, this is your SPSS output. The first thing we will look at is A. You will go to the menu box. You will then click Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics and Descriptives, and you'll see the dialog box A. However, SAT will be over in Descriptives. You will click the blue arrow and it will move your variable to SAT under Variables. Then you also want to click Save Standardized Values as Variables. This is going to produce a column that will show you the standardized variables. Click OK so it will run. All right, next, here's the other output. If you look at B, it shows the sample size, which is N. It shows the minimum and maximum score. It shows the mean and the standard deviation. Then, because you click Save Standardized Values as a variable, SPS creates a additional column of z-scores in the Data View tab. So the added column is z with your variable name. So it is z-sat. Each z-score in the z-sat column is the number of standard deviations that the corresponding score in the original SAT column is from the mean. This is a very easy thing to do, and you should be able to do this in no time, and then you should be able to upload it to your Georgia View and get credit. So this is everything, and do this, complete it, and we are done.